Hello! You already save a lot of money every year thanks to our videos, so save on car parts too. Buy them on the Mr. Auto app. Shipping is free.
Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you must open the car trunk and take out the light block. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. With a thin flat head screwdriver, lift off the head of the hook. Then, with a pair of needle nose pliers, remove the hook so that you can free the carpet. With the needle nose pliers, release the plastic wing nut holding the light in place. Take out the tail lights from their position, then push down on the spurs to release the power connector. To free the connector board holding the bulbs, push on the red holding spurs. Once free, remove the board. To replace the bulbs, all you have to do is push down and to pivot them a quarter turn anti-clockwise. They should come out on their own. To put new ones in, position the spurs on the bubble so that they're in front of the holes. Push down on the bulb and make a 1/4 turn clockwise. Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. The tab should separate to let it pass and lock it in place once it's down. Clip the power connector back onto the lights. Then, put the lights back in its housing. Tighten the wing nut back up. Then, finish off by putting the carpet back in place, fixing it with a plastic rivet. Operation completed.